In this video, I am going to share with you how I learn English without investing money, or my journey of learning this language. And I learned this language with my dreams. I never had a dreams of learning English, but I had a dream like different. And when I completing my dreams, when I learning my dreams, that time I automatically learn this language. If you have a dreams, don't make any extra routine. Try to include English with your dreams. For example, if you student, if you want to be good mark in your exam, if you want to study, try to study in English. Watch English video. You can find lot of English video, English tutorial in YouTube. Try to watch English. That is the interesting way that you can learn English easily. I learned this language in my interesting way when it 2022, that time, a pandemic time, I was watching a video. That video is not English, not they are teaching English, but this video is teaching my dream, and that's why I learned this language with my dreams. You can do it easily. You can learn this language with your dreams, or when you learn this language with your dreams, you cannot feel demotivated. Always you are feel motivated, you are feel I'm completing my dreams, or also I'm learning English. That is the way. If you never have any dreams, any goals in your life, how can you learn English? If you never have dreams, if you have dreams, I just dream I want to learn English. That is the one way that you can learn English. That is interesting. I think entertainment. Every person like entertainment. If you want to like any kind of entertainment video, try to watch this video in English. That is the way that if you don't have a time, or if you don't have a dream for learning this language, that you can learn this language with entertainment. That is the way. Or if you have dreams, that is the great way that you can also achieve your dreams, or you can learn English automatically. Just keep learning English by completing your dreams. If you have a dream like different, don't worry, you can learn English with internet. Internet is the way that you can learn English with completing your dreams. If you have a dream or goals like different, you are not finding any specific tutorial for your dreams that can improve your listening skill, or you are not finding any article, that is the great thing that you can do, learn with ChatGPT. This tool is help you to learn any skill, anything. If you want to be, for example, if you want to go abroad, or if you want to get a good job, try to ask ChatGPT, how can I get good job? And it also can help to get a good job. It also can guide you, and when you try to read this guidance, that you can improve your reading skill, or when you speak with ChatGPT, that you can improve your speaking, listening, all of these things. That is the way that you can improve your English by completing your dreams without making any routine, doing any extra effort. So keep learning, enjoying your process. Never make it boring. When you make it boring, you cannot be complete. You just give up. Don't make it boring. Someday you feel like I'm just watching my interesting video, like entertainment video, but I'm not learning English. You are wrong. You are learning English. Someday you feel demotivated, you are feel I'm not learning English, but when it's talk about 1 month or 2 months, that you realize I learn English a lot without doing any hard work, without doing extra thing. That is the way that you can learn English with your dreams.